I thought this thing that's sitting here on the ground was a cat. But then, looking closer at it, I discover it's an owl. Oh, and there he goes. He was sitting right here. I guess he's waiting for a ground squirrel to come out. So here's Ground Squirrel Haven, and that's probably why that owl was sitting right here. He's probably waiting for some little ground squirrel to pop his head out.